Good morning, students. Today we are going to read Module 8 of Electoral Politics. In this module, we will read about the Election Commission. The Election Commission has power of punishing those candidates or parties who violate the code of conduct. During elections, the Election Commission gets guidelines for the government so that government's powers are not misused for winning elections. Now let us discuss about the powers, or we can say the functions of Election Commission in India. EC takes decisions on every aspect of conduct and control of election, from the announcement of election to the declaration of the result. Means election related every activity is done under the control of Election Commission. It implements the code of conduct and punishes any candidate or party that violates it. It can also order the government to follow some guidelines to prevent use and misuse of government power to enhance its chance of win election, or to transfer some governmental officials. When on the election duty, government officers work under the control of Election Commission, not under the government. To give an advice to the president on some certain issues. These are the powers, you can say, and functions of Election Commission in India. Now, how can we say that Indian elections are democratic? First, universal adult franchise. As you know very well that all the adult citizens, they are getting a right to vote, and each person, they have one vote, must carry one value. Second, electoral choice. Competition between political parties and between various candidates. One party system is opposed the spirit of democracy. Elections at regular intervals. There are periodic elections in democracy in India. Free and fair election. In a democracy, voters are not subject to pressure or fear. They can choose the candidate according to their own wish. Now let us talk about the Independent Election Commission. Very few election commissions in the world have such wide-ranging powers as the Election Commission of India. Election Commission take decision on every aspect of conduct and control of elections, from the announcement of election to the declaration of result. It implements the code of conduct and punishes every candidate or party that violates it. During the election period, the Election Commission can order the government to follow some guidelines to prevent use and enhance its chances to win election, or to transfer some government officials. When on election, or to transfer any government officers, work under the control of Election Commission, not the government. Now you can see here voters turnout in India and UK, and how it is different in India from other countries. Voter turnout in India as by the social groups and those who participate in any election related activity, you can see here. Thank you. Next we will read in our next slide.